Okay, so let's recap. Black has got to do with radiation, right? Black, is it a good emitter and good absorber? Yeah, it is. So why did they put it here? Because they want to absorb the heat from the fluid. Yeah. And then at the same time, radiate it away. Radiate away. Right? So black is a good absorber and good radiator. So we answer that question here. It's only one mark. So we say that black color, the good absorber as well as radiator. It will remove the heat from the refrigerator faster. Okay, so the black is to suck the heat, absorb the heat very quickly and throw it away. Now, in case you don't believe, right? You can go to the back of your refrigerator. I'm not sure if you all have access to the back of your refrigerator. Just put your hand there. Okay, it's very hot because the heat is always coming out. Okay, this is also the reason why you shouldn't sleep behind a refrigerator.